Cassidy. Hey. Hey. Cassidy. She's crawling. She's crawling. We had a blanket, but she spun it all around. And it was getting tangled up. There she goes. She likes the book. She likes the book. She wanted to try to see her shoes, so she kept turning in circles. See, there she goes. She did 2 full circles. Cassidy! 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 She's been talking a lot. Here she comes. Cassidy. Hi. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Woo. There she goes, trying to see the shoes again. There's a circle. Spin it. She's trying to look at feet. She just turns around. See the book? Huh? Oh, there's that foot again. Just can't quite get. She just can't get to it, can she? Honey, it's your foot. Cassidy. She just did a full circle trying to get to that foot. Here, let's help her out. Let's help her out a little bit.